Okay, so this is let's just start this off with going talk to the lawyers, okay? But I do some work with a roofing company in America, and they use this thing called an assignment of benefits. And a lot of people I know they don't know what that is, but um, if you look, you can watch the video on the web on this website, and it'll explain it, and then it'll have a definition. But what they do is they have doctors use an assignment of benefit. So the doctors have them sign the paperwork, and then it makes it so the insurance company sends the doctors straight up money. So if you look up assignment of benefit on YouTube, you'll see all these insurance companies talking crap about assignment of benefit. Now, here's the thing, guys. Why would they be doing that? All right. So they're all in Florida. Um, Giant hurricane comes through, devours Florida. It's inevitable. Happens all the time. And then all the storm chasers go down there, and then they get them to do an assignment of benefit, right? And I think this is what I think, but I'm not sure. But you can check, okay? What they do is they get the assignment of benefit, and then it makes it so they can go back home after building the roof, and then they can collect the money, right? They don't have to really worry. They don't have to set up shop for months and months and months trying to collect the money and have the money go back. And then, so many people try to escape with the money, try to get all sophisticated. And I mean, like, I've had people move to another state, there's so many different things. So all I'm saying is, and I don't know. I actually called the lawyers, and I asked them about that, and they're like, "But what are you using this for?" I'm like, "Well, I want to own a roofing company." And then they're like, "Well, you've got one," and I'm like, "But that's in Texas, okay? I'm in Colorado, so I'm just trying to figure out how this thing works. Just explain it." And she's like, "Okay, it works different for every roofing company, and then it works different for every insurance provider treats it different." And I'm like, "Man, that's kind of weird." And she's like, "Call on a case by case basis. You get to use me on a case by case as many times as you want, but stop trying to go deeper on this one because I can't really answer the questions for you." Now I'm in Colorado. She said assignment of benefits completely cool in Colorado. Now I've never heard of assignment of benefit in Texas, and I've never heard of assignment of benefit in Georgia. And those are the other two places, right? So think about that, guys. Call the lawyers and say, "Hey, I'm in Nebraska. I'm in Texas. I'm in blah, blah, blah," and say, "What's up with assignment of benefit, and how do I put that into my contract," right? And then what I've sort of understood is once you do the supplements sometimes don't get paid out, right? So, like, let's say uh, we get you like $4,000 worth of supplements, right, on a $30,000 roof. And then the insurance company is like, "I'm not going to pay that. I'm going to pay two of the four." Then if you do an assignment of benefits, then you can take the insurance company to arbitration. And then I think there's something where the insurance company doesn't show up, or you're just like, "This is Exactimate." Exactimate says that you have to pay for starter. You have to pay for all this different stuff. And you're the insurance company, and you're saying that you're not going to. And then the arbitrator says you owe them that money. Think about that, guys. But here's the thing. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. God, look at that. All I think, like you're thinking all this stuff like, man, I could make so much more money, man. And I'm just thinking, get this some clippers, fucking beard is weird, you know? Like I'm just not sure about it, but I'm not gonna shave it because then I'd look like I was 12 or something like that. But call, check up, do your due diligence, and abuse those lawyers. Just abuse them, you know? Any question that you've got, you know? Because the thing is why not? I mean, you're a business person now, you know? You're a business person. And I mean, like I've never even been to Utah. I've never been to Nevada. I've never been to Las Vegas. Isn't that weird? I've never been to Montana, right? So I can't tell you if it's going to work from state to state. And I said, what states does this work for? And she said, I'm only licensed to do law in this state. And I said, okay. So it's just something to think about. I mean, there's so many things that I don't know. There's so many things. But that's what I'm really hoping with this website is that it pushes people to learn new things. And if you do know, and if you do figure it out, definitely say something to me, you know, hit me up on email, go and say, hey man, you made me like, I want to make you more money than I make. What if I do? You know, hopefully I don't. But what if, you know, what if you're down in Florida and you're like, what is assignment of benefit? Or what if you work for a bigger roofing company and they pay you a percentage of the whole pot, and then they take care of the back end. They keep the supplement money. They keep everything, and then they're using an assignment of benefit, or they're using public adjusters, or they're using all these different things, and you're just a regular sales guy, and there's no way that you could ever figure out their system, you know? So you're just sitting there, and you're like the Wizard of Oz. Oz is on the other side of the curtain, and you can't see it. So you don't want to start. You don't want to be like, you know, I'm gonna go out on my own because you can't see. Hopefully this, and hopefully the lawyers, and hopefully the contract, you know, and hopefully Spottio just makes it so you're like, I think I might have the power to be able to do this. Let's just try.